This one is a 1935 Corona standard portable typewriter. It's got the flat top and a glossy-ish coat. I'll show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the line space and it skips a space and it brings you back to the beginning. As you can see, all the keys type perfect and none of them stick. Type a sentence in red. This one has a black and red ribbon. To switch to red, you just flip that up. Type's very nice. Print's very nice as well. I'll do a close up. Show you how to use the rest of the functions. Put that back on black. Backspace works good. Left carriage release and a right carriage release brings you to the end of the margin. And if you want to type past the margin, you hit the margin release, and it will, if you push that, it will allow you to type past the margin. Shift lock, open the hood. It's got a touch control right here. The higher, the more resistance when you hit the keys. The lower, the less resistance. To change the direction of the ribbon, you just flip this switch up and it'll go left. Switch it down and it'll go right. The margins are on the back. Very simple margins. Just move them like that wherever you want them. And that's about it. Very popular machine. The flat top is kind of rare and people just like the look of it. The keys as well. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.